guys, so welcome to another episode in the Photoshop series. In this episode I'll be showing you guys how to use this tool right here. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give these videos a thumbs up, and let's begin. So for this tool, this is the part selection tool with shortcut for A. As you can see, I'm picking and dragging it. I can't pick anything with it, so don't mistake it for the move tool. So after drawing a rectangle, I'll just pull it around so you can see, and it moves the object instantly without selecting something else. Then the second tool, you can use it to pick different points and reshape them the way you would like, which helps a lot instead of you using your pen tool or trying to create a particular shape. So you can actually just create one shape and distort it yourself with using this selection tool. It's very helpful and could make your work really easy and convenient. So that's that. So don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.